Setting and achieving personal goals. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to discuss how to set and achieve personal goals effectively. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for more content on self-love and self-development. Let's get started. The importance of goal setting. Setting personal goals is crucial for personal growth and self-fulfillment. It gives you direction, motivation, and a sense of purpose. Today, we'll explore how to set and achieve meaningful goals. Defining your goals. The first step in goal setting is to clearly define what you want to achieve. Here's how. Vision board. Create a vision board to visualize your goals and dreams. Brainstorming. Spend time brainstorming what you truly want to achieve in different areas of your life. SMART goals. Ensure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Creating an action plan. Once your goals are defined, create a detailed action plan. Here's how. Break down goals. Divide your goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Timeline. Create a timeline for each task to keep yourself on track. Prioritize. Identify the most important tasks and focus on them first. Staying motivated and overcoming obstacles. Staying motivated can be challenging, especially when obstacles arise. Here are some strategies. Positive affirmations. Use affirmations to boost your confidence and keep your motivation high. Celebrate milestones. Reward yourself when you reach significant milestones. Stay flexible. Be prepared to adjust your plan if things don't go as expected. Accountability and support systems. Accountability and support systems are crucial for achieving your goals. Here's how to leverage them. Accountability partner. Find someone who will hold you accountable and support your journey. Support groups. Join groups or communities that share your goals and can offer encouragement. Regular check-ins. Schedule regular check-ins with your accountability partner to track your progress. Reflecting and adjusting. Reflection and adjustment are key components of the goal-setting process. Here's how to do it effectively. Regular reflection. Set aside time regularly to reflect on your progress and experiences. Adjust plans. Be willing to adjust your plans based on what you learned from your reflections. Celebrate successes. Recognize and celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Conclusion and final thoughts. Setting and achieving personal goals is a rewarding journey that requires dedication and effort. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your dreams. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments what goals you're excited to set and achieve. See you in the next video, and remember, you have the power to turn your dreams into reality.